Explore HTTP requests and REST API interactions using Python's request module. Learn to send GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE requests, handle responses, and manage headers and parameters. Enhance your Python applications by effectively integrating APIs, ensuring robust and efficient data exchange. The requests library in Python is a powerful tool for HTTP communication, simplifying API interactions. It abstracts complex networking protocols, making it easier for developers to send HTTP requests and handle responses efficiently. Understanding its foundational concepts is crucial for building robust Python applications that interact seamlessly with web services. The requests module offers an intuitive design, simplifying HTTP requests with a user-friendly API. It supports all HTTP methods, including GET, POST, PUT, DELETE, PATCH, HEAD, and options, ensuring comprehensive REST API functionality. Trusted by millions, it's an industry standard for interacting with web services in production applications. To start using the Requests module, install it via pip. Pip install requests. This module isn't part of Python's standard library. Use virtual environments to manage dependencies and avoid conflicts. After installation, import it with import requests to access its full range of HTTP request capabilities for seamless API interactions. Explore practical demonstrations of fundamental HTTP request patterns. Learn to handle responses effectively and master essential techniques for API communication. This chapter provides hands-on experience to enhance your understanding of HTTP requests, ensuring you can interact seamlessly with web services and APIs. To make a simple GET request, use request.get with the target URL. The response object provides status codes, headers, and content. Access data via response.text for raw content or response.json for JSON. Verify success with response.status code, ensuring a 200 status or identifying errors like 404 or 500. Executing a GET request in Python's REPL involves calling requests.get with the GitHub Events API endpoint. The terminal displays a formatted JSON response, showcasing event data and confirming successful API interaction. This visual illustrates the seamless retrieval and display of data using Python's Requests module. Passing URL parameters with GET is streamlined using the Requests module. By utilizing a dictionary with the params argument, you can automatically encode special characters and construct query strings. For instance, using payload art key1, value1, key2, value2, the URL becomes https API example.com search. Key1 equals value1. Key2 equals value2. Parameters with none values are excluded, and lists can be used for repeated names.